What is going on, everyone? Anthony Drew Gary here. And this week on the show, I probably could have made this into a short, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough time to explain what I saw here, why I thought it was crazy, and really what's going on overall. So, this is a tweet from Kevin O'Leary. He is better known as Mr. Wonderful. And he was a successful businessman before, but by and large, he is known for being a shark on Shark Tank, which you can watch on ABC. And overall, I really kind of have grown to like the guy over the years. He makes good points all the time when I watch him on the show. And so I was really surprised when I saw this specific tweet that really just didn't sound like him, or at least the him that I thought I knew, however many minutes at a time watching different episodes of Shark Tank. And so he says, "You may lose your wife, you may lose your dog, your mother may hate you. None of these things matter. What matters is that you achieve success and become free. Then you can do whatever you like." And this just hits me the wrong way. And maybe that's me, and my perspective on the world is different than his. But I'm hoping that if you're watching this, you may tend to agree with me. And really, it starts at the very first line, the first five words there. You may lose your wife, or if you're in a different situation, you may lose your husband chasing after freedom. And it starts to have me thinking about the hustle culture that exists and how people are willing to sacrifice everything to achieve some greater thing later on, while not appreciating what is ultimately really great in front of them right now. And so I stopped to think about this for a minute. And so I looked, just for giggles, four out of the top five wealthiest Americans in the United States: Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, Larry Ellison. And Warren Buffett is the fifth, but he doesn't fit the narrative, so play along with me. Four out of the five richest Americans in the world, what do they all have in common? They're divorced. And so it doesn't have to be that way. Chasing after your dreams, your goals, your ambitions is great, but enjoying the ride with someone is great too. Enjoying your family while chasing the dream, also great. Taking care of pets and enjoying them too, also good things. And so this really just hit me, and I wanted to expound on it more than I could in a little short here, that even though I don't have a little blue check mark, I disagree with you, Kevin O'Leary, on this one. You can do whatever you like and become free while on the journey of becoming yourself, becoming a better version of yourself, or becoming the best business person you can be. So wanted to hit on this week, and hopefully this resonates with somebody, that you don't have to lose everything to gain something. You don't have to lose everything to gain everything. You don't have to lose anything necessarily. So that's going to bring this episode of the show to a close. If you like what you're hearing, give me a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to new content each and every day in short form and on long form on Wednesdays, as always. And if you're looking to transact real estate in the Indianapolis market or in the greater Indiana market, I can help you do that. Get in touch with me in the comments down below or at indiedwell.com. If you've got an idea for a future topic on the show, let me know in the comments. I will interact with you down there as well. Until next time, this is Anthony Drew Gary, host of The How To Show, signing off.